Hey you guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how I label and pack up my products. This is the updated video. That's my super growth oil. It now comes in a glass bottle, and now I'm going to put the label on the quad butter hair and body cream. That is my second bestseller. You can check that out at the link below. I've been getting a lot of questions about where I get my labels from and my product bottles. And I just get them I get my product bottles from Amazon, and I print out my own labels at home. The app I use to make my labels is PixArt. You can resize it any way you want to, and then I put it on a Google Doc, and then I print it from there. You can resize them any size you want to fit your bottles. What I did was I held the sheet of paper up to my product so I can see how big I would have to make the label, and I printed out a few test copies, and there you go. I'm putting a label on my leave-in conditioner. It is part of our quad butter line. You can check out all of our collections on www.AsheAmarie.com. And don't forget, you can get 15% off of your first order with code NEW15. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. The Rona is lurking, and we gotta stay safe. Make sure you're wearing your mask. Make sure everyone around you is wearing a mask. Stay 6 feet. You know the drill. But now I am packing up my last package. And I was asked a question about where I get my packaging from. You can get your packaging free from USPS. All you have to do is go online and pick what product you want, put it in the cart. They have boxes, they have mailers. You can pick anything, and it's free, and they'll deliver it to your house for free. You don't have to pay for boxes. Don't let anybody fool you. And what I used some shredded paper, just like some old newspaper or junk mail you get in the mail. I just put that in the paper shredder, and there you go, free packing paper. I just used the bubble wrap to wrap around the glass, and the little paper, the tissue paper, I got that off of Amazon, but they do have those at Dollar Tree. If you're on a lower budget and don't want to pay a little extra, just get them from Dollar Tree. And I got the little thank you stickers from Dollar Tree. I always include a thank you sticker. And if it's a new order, I include a lip balm. I also have samples of my products. If you're not ready to commit to a full size, you can also check out our samples under the 5 and under tab. We have a lot. We got a lot. Just go check it out. I'm sure you'll find something that you love. We have feminine care products along with body scrubs, bath bombs, everything you need. We got bundles, wigs, whatever you desire. We also offer wholesale if you want to sell any of our products and make some money on the side for yourself. You can go ahead and do that. The possibilities are endless. And okay, here's another tip. If you're looking to sell stuff these boxes come in handy. They're not as cheap as the packages, but here's what you can do. You can place this box inside a mailer and it will be cheaper. Okay, you guys, this video is about to come to an end. I am about to put it into mailer and then pack on my fragile stickers. You can also get those off of Amazon, and they do send you a few when you buy mailers from USPS. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if there's anything I missed, anything that you would like to see, and I'll make sure I make a video about it. Make sure you hit the bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you guys later.